was a little too loud, but that's why we love her. She's not like other girls, she could have conquered the world until you broke her down. Are you happy now? She's on the ground. And do you realize the words you say make bruises that don't fade away? Put her down. She's thinking that she won't fit in 'cause you said something's wrong with her. Are you happy now? He likes science, not sports. What he stood for, he's not like you. You don't like that. 15 years down the road, could be everything and you own. Right now, you're breaking him down. Are you happy now? He's on the ground. Do you realize the words you say that don't fade away? You brought him down, and he's thinking that he won't fit in 'cause you said something's wrong with him. Are you happy now? That it was done to you, is that why you do what you do? Well, that's no excuse, yeah. If it felt like hell to you, then why'd you wanna put them through what hurt you? Are you happy now that you brought them down? I don't think so. Do you realize the words you say make bruises that don't fade away? You put them down, and you're thinking that they won't fit in 'cause you said something's wrong with them. Are you happy now?